it's day two of our little trip, and but I haven't done a lot of talking because we did a lot of things, and I just don't want to spend my friend trip focusing on vlogging instead of hanging out with my friends, you know. But we went to a city today, and I did a tiny bit of shopping, just a tiny bit. Got myself some lashes. These ones, the My Lash But Better ones from Kiss. These are new, and these were buy one get one free. So these are really freaking cute. They were so pretty. I saw them on by Alex PK on Instagram already, and I was like, I need to get those. And then I saw them BOGO, so I just had to get them. I got the Blessed and So Real. They're so pretty. And then I got some books at the thrift store. Little novel, romance novel, 50 Shades of Grey. I think this is like a little thriller. It looks like a thriller at least. And then I got this like detective book. It's very shiny, and it was buy 5 get 3 free, so I paid not even €5 for 5 books, so that's pretty good. And I don't have a lot of clips from the past few days because I take a lot of pictures with my phone. So also yesterday we were in a boat and we got attacked by swans, so that was really interesting. I'll tell more about that later, but today we're gonna eat pancakes, so yay. Hello. So I'm currently I'm banished to the bedroom because we're playing Betrayal, which is so freaking fun, and I am the traitor this round. Apparently, I'm a werewolf, and I have to turn people into werewolves, and it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna do this today. We went bowling, and then we had all you can eat sushi. So it's been a good day, except that we kind of forgot to pay for the bowling, so we were already at the sushi restaurant, and then we got a call like, hey, y'all didn't pay, right? And we were like, oh, gosh. So we drove back, but the guy was like, I told you could take it easy. You didn't have to come right away. You could come in like a few hours, it's fine. But I paid. It's all good. We paid for everything. But yeah, now I have to learn how to be a werewolf and beat all my friends. So this is gonna be fun. Wish me luck. Oh, wait. I'm wearing my makeup for a few hours, so it's a bit crazy, but I'm wearing my Attitude Academia palette by Root Cosmetics, and then I'm wearing Blatant on my inner corner, and this is just a real easy, simple look, but it's so cool. Like, the shimmers are really cool, so that's it. Today's our last day here, so we're just gonna take an easy game night, and then have some sleep, and then leave early morning, so yay. Now wish me luck at turning my friends into werewolf. I don't know if they know that I'm a werewolf, so this is gonna be fun. Hello. So today we got back from a little trip. It was really fun. I'm currently in my boyfriend's parents' place. Sleeping in my boyfriend's bed, but he is in Eindhoven, so I'm all alone. So sad. Yeah, we got back today. I was tired, so I took a nap. Then I read a bit, and I chatted with my in-law family, I guess. And now I'm gonna go sleep because it's like 1:30 a.m. and I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, I'm at my boyfriend's place now. I'm in bed. I'm waiting for him to get home so we can go sleep. Just watching Love Island. Today was a really slow day for me. Spent some time at my parents', switched out some bags and stuff, and then I had a 3-hour train trip to get here, and now it's 12 a.m. So I'm gonna go to bed, and tomorrow I think we're gonna stay at my boyfriend's uni again, and we're gonna do some work there, so I'll do some editing and whatever. But first, let's get some sleep because I'm tired. And we're back at my boyfriend's uni. I have a macaroon. So excited. I also had some mini mozzarella balls, but those were sour. So I'm not eating those. But this is good. This is some good stuff. Hello friends. It is Sunday evening. I don't think there's a lot of footage from the past few days, especially not today. Because I had a day today. We woke up late, we kind of slept in because we stayed at the uni until like, I don't know, 1:30 a.m. or something. So we slept really late, decided to sleep in. I slept not really well. Then we went to the uni again around like 3 p.m. or something to do a tiny bit more work. And as soon as I got there, I got a migraine again. So, that was fun. So I wasn't really feeling up to doing anything. In the end, I wrote one article for the blog, which is fine. I did something today, which is good. I'm in my boyfriend's place still. He's gone. He's staying with his parents tonight because he has to go to the dentist tomorrow. So I'm staying here tonight, and then tomorrow morning I just have to do a few dishes, and then I'm gonna go take a train to my place and film a video. And then I'm maybe gonna go to my parents' place or maybe go back here. I don't know yet. I'll have to see tomorrow. Because it's my brother's birthday, but he hasn't responded to my text yet if he's gonna even be at my parents' place tomorrow or not. So, because if he isn't, then there's no need in like traveling back and forth all the time. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Very indecisive. But right now, I just had a very relaxing evening. I just basically did nothing. And now I'm gonna take off my makeup. I have Love Island on. I'm gonna sit in bed, watch Love Island, and then go sleep. And that's all I'm gonna do for the rest of today. And tomorrow I'll have to wake up a bit early so I can take a bit of an early train and not arrive at Nijmegen too late. So that's gonna be the end of this week's vlog. So if you want to see what I'm up to tomorrow, go watch stay tuned for next week's vlog, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. If you want to see even more from me, my blog and my socials and my gaming channel is all linked down below, so you can check that out as well. That's gonna be it for me today. I'm way too tired. I can't even do my outro. That's gonna be it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodles.